The Swakoppoort Dam currently stands at about 83% of its full capacity, with Bach Dam at 81.2%. Goreangab Dam also has seen little change, currently being at 100.5% compared to 100.8% last week. Otjivero main dam stands at about 36% of its full capacity, with Tilda Viljoen Dam at 64.1%, 6%. Hardap Dam has seen a slight increase of 0.8% since last week, now standing at 59.9% of full capacity. Neckartal Dam currently stands at 97.7% full, Naute Dam at 80.2%, and Oanob Dam at 63.7% of full capacity. Omatako, Driehoek, and Bondels dams are still experiencing low levels since last week, with only minor changes. Omatako Dam currently stands at 19.1% of full capacity, while Driehoek Dam stands at 18.9% and Bondels Dam at 4.7%. Omaruru Delta and Omatjenne Dam are currently empty, with both at 0% of their full capacity. NH Nwabeb, NBC News, Windhoek.